Hello everyone, today I will show you how to auto-fit raw height in Google Sheet. Open your Google Sheet, I'll auto-fit this raw height. Click on this raw serial number and select and click right button and select this size the raw, and here you will find this fit to data. Select OK as is data already fit. Also you can auto-fit by click your mouse and put your mouse here and double click and say this text only auto fit. Also auto message is double arrow icon showing here and now double click and says text only auto fit. Also auto fit all of this text. Click right button and select this size and now select fit to data and OK. As all of this data now auto fit. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.